Welcome! In this lesson, we will learn about the essential skills of soldering and desoldering, which are crucial for repairing electronics like radios, TVs, and phone chargers common in Nigeria. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to perform these key tasks. In Nigeria, these skills are vital. From fixing household gadgets to starting your own repair business in a local market, soldering is a gateway to many opportunities. First, what is soldering? Soldering is a process used to join electronic components to a circuit board using a metal alloy called solder. This creates a strong and reliable electrical connection. A good solder joint is shiny and cone-shaped, indicating that the solder has flowed properly over both the component lead and the circuit board pad. Safety is extremely important. Always wear safety glasses, work in a space with good airflow, be careful with the hot iron, and wash your hands when you are finished. Now, let's look at desoldering. This is the process of removing solder to detach a component from a circuit board, which is necessary for repairs or replacements. To remove a component like a transistor, capacitor, or diode, you melt the solder on each lead and use a solder pump to remove it. Once all leads are clear, the component can be carefully removed without damage. Another useful tool is a desoldering wick or solder braid. You place it on the joint, heat it with the iron, and it soaks up the solder like a sponge. There are different types of solder. The most common for electronics are lead-based alloys. 60-40 solder is very popular, while 6337 is a eutectic alloy, which makes it easier to work with for beginners. Flux is a chemical cleaner that removes oxidation and helps solder flow smoothly. Rosin flux is the standard for electronics repair. No clean flux is convenient, while water-soluble flux is for special cases and requires cleaning. Let's review. We've learned that soldering joins components and desoldering removes them. We covered safety precautions, essential tools, and the different types of solder and flux. With practice, you can master this important skill